Hey guys, this is back in 103 here, and today I figured I'd do another video of me vacuuming the bedroom. So this time it's the Dirt Double Envision. I haven't even ran this in a while, because, well, yeah, I haven't even ran this in a while since I've been using a lot of vacuums. It's a different kind. So yeah, as you can see, there's a mess all over the carpet, so we'll see what the Envision does. Just a heads up warning, this thing's very loud. So, make sure your volume's turned down. If you're wearing headphones or you have sense of hearing, turn it down because this thing's loud. So, here we go. Yeah, you can hear it touching that carpet. Yeah, you can hear barely touching that carpet. But let's see how much I got up. So yeah, you can see, let me show it to y'all. Yeah, you can see like all that hair and all of that picked up even on this filter. So yeah, I did a good job. Or did a good job. I do need to work on this brush roll. So, if I can get it in there. So yeah, that's another video of me vacuuming the bedroom with the Dirt Double Vision Turbo. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.